Hey everyone! Trying to scan a Nike QR code, whether it's on shoes, clothing, or packaging. Here's exactly how to do it. First, open the Nike app on your phone. Look for the magnifying glass icon at the top right. Tap on it and you should see a camera icon right above your keyboard. If it's there, just tap it and point your phone at the QR code on your Nike product and you're done. But if you don't see the camera option, don't worry, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for QR code scanner. There are tons of free, reliable apps. Just download one and use it to scan the Nike code. Or even easier, just use your phone's built-in camera app. Most smartphones today can scan QR codes automatically. Just open your camera, point it at a tag or label, and you'll get a link pop up instantly. And that's it. Super easy. Whether you're using the Nike app, a QR scanner, or just your phone camera, you can scan Nike QR codes in seconds. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.